Hiker Jay here. Today I'm actually out on the property way back on some 2-tracks that we don't use a lot, and there's a lot of trees down, so I'm gonna cut them down. And I picked up this SOG saw. It's a wood saw that I got on Amazon. You can check out the link down below to my Amazon affiliate. It's 10 bucks. So I figured it would be great like Jeep saw just to keep in my Jeep for situations like this. So I'm gonna test it out by cutting these down. I do have a big tree in the back. You should stick around for that one. I brought a chainsaw, but I'm gonna try to yank it out of there with the Jeep, and that should be pretty entertaining. So let's go test this sucker out and see how it works. All right, looks like we got our first branches across the trail, and I think this is gonna be perfect size for the SOG folding saw. Let's get at it. All right, so this SOG is gonna be perfect, I think, for this size of wood. And it is just a wood saw and has a nice little lock on it, but you can take this off and put a bone saw on it. But I think for something like this, just over 8 inches of wood saw blade, carbon steel is gonna be just perfect for this type of branch that's in the way. So let's get at it. So not the sharpest saw I've ever used, but it worked just fine. For $10, I'm pretty happy with it so far. We're gonna keep sawing away, see if I can get better at it. One thing I did realize is that this orange piece is a lock. It used to be black. I know why they changed it to orange, because if you're sawing away like this and you push your thumb there for pressure, it'll go to the next notch, which you don't want it to happen. So you wanna keep your hand on the actual black handle so that the lock actually holds in place. Let's move on to the next tree. So, took like 30 seconds to saw that, not too bad. Wasn't too much energy, works all right. So I wouldn't go anything bigger than the lower diameter of this, maybe like a 2.5 inch. You could go after something kind of bigger too, I imagine, but it would take time. Found me, I think, shoulder blade from a deer. We're near the highway here, and deer get hit a lot of times, crawl back in here and die, and things eat them, but pretty cool little paddle. One thing I like about the SOG is that it fits right into my 511 pocket, which is pretty sweet. This one's kind of big, so I'm gonna pull out the chainsaw and cut it off at the V and then yank it down. It'll go a lot smoother. So time to pull out the big guns. All right, let's see if we can yank all this out of the way. All right, so I have these 3 limbs kind of lassoed up. I'm gonna hook this up to the Jeep. That's the fun of having your own property in a Jeep. You can do stupid things like this. I did want to take a moment to tell you that I have new t-shirt merch from Teespring. This is one of them. You've probably seen my Hike Happy shirt before too, but this Wander shirt is brand new. My own design with the trail leading you up into the mountains. Check it out down below. You can see my store and see a couple other shirts that I have too. So let's yank this thing. All right, let's pull it. Knocked you over. Apologies. We'll come back and saw that up for firewood for camp, but I just wanted to get through here so that I can get out to camp, talk to you about this saw. See you there. I got a couple more here. All right, trails cleared, back at camp. You know, this SOG wood saw I'm pretty happy with. For $10 folding saw, I think it's excellent. And I like that you can actually change out the saws as well when this one gets dull. I found that it cuts something of this diameter, no problem, under 30 seconds. Cuts wood like that's actually green wood a whole lot better than like old dry wood. That's just because it has the moisture in it and such. But if you want to get one of these, 10 bucks like I said, you can check out my Amazon affiliate link down below. And if you liked the video, if you would, please hit subscribe and like. That would be awesome. Till next time, just remember, life's a hike, so hike happy. With a Wander shirt. Thanks so much for sticking around to the end of the video. If you're new to my channel, if you hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. I put out new videos every Thursday around outdoor gear. And if you'd like to support me, you can check out my merchandise. I have my Hike Happy shirt on here at my store. You can click that down below and check out the other apparel that I have. Till next Thursday, just go ahead and watch some of my other videos.